Welcome back to the Sound for More channel and welcome back to another demonstration and tutorial. Today I have the pleasure to introduce you to FAC Clipper. Before I continue, I would like to remind my viewers to subscribe as it helps with growing the channel. Additionally, if you would like to support what I do, please do check the instruction contained in each video description. So first of all, we are inside AUM, so AUv3, which is great. That's what you would expect today. We're going to load a file player, as you can see, and then we are going to choose a track, and let's try some of them and see what it sounds like. Perhaps not that one. Let's go for something like this, and we set it as a loop. Yeah, and that is perfect because it has a great bass. So let's select Clipper here as an insert effect. Okay, first of all, you might be wondering why I'm choosing FAC Clipper instead of FAC Punchlab or the Clipper in Punchlab. Well, this is a little bit more refined. It has better user controls that you can see on the screen. So different products. Okay, so as you can see, it's really straightforward to use. At the bottom, you have a selection of presets. You click on it and you can choose, of course, some of the presets in like soft clipping, hard clipping, analog clipping, etc., etc. You can go to the next preset or to the previous preset. Really simple to use. You have input measurement here on meter, the same output on the other side. You can activate oversampling here. You can change the output level as well there. You have your bypass on and off and your dry and wet mix there. Really simple. And then of course you have your input here knob, which you can change, of course, and then you can match the output against the input. So really great. And then here you can set it to work as a single band, or if you click here, as a dual band. And when you have a dual band or multi-band, you have different additional controls, like you can solo, for example, and you can change the gain as well. When you are on one band, of course, you can change the ceiling, which means above that ceiling, it will start to clip, right? And then you can change the knee, so if you want a more soft or hard clipping, right? And you can change the shape for more harmonic and saturation, right? And you can see what happens here on the screen as well. But let's put it to the test when it is multi-band. And by the way, you can change also the crossover frequency as well. So let's try it. You can see the part up here, which is being clipped. And then, of course, we can increase the gain as well and see what happens. And we can set the need to be soft and no hard clipping, right? And normally I go from one band to the next one. So when I finished with one, I go for the other one and I adjust the settings. And when I finish, I combine the two. Okay, so I remove the solo for both of them. And you can see here the gain is pushing up after it has clipped and gives you that richness in terms of the sound, which is really great. That is what the product is really good for. So you can use it as one band and you can just clip, right? You can use it as two bands and then you can set the crossover frequency. And then when you decide where to clip, right? You can change the gain up and down, change if you wanted to have a hard clipping or soft clipping, you can change the knee, and of course you can add some saturation. So it works extremely. I hope you have headphones because the change is really, really good. Okay. In terms of also AUv3, it has, as you can see, standard controls, but I think you don't really need too much. It doesn't expose a lot of parameters at the moment yet, but to be honest, the UI is so simple to use, so no really need, but perhaps in the future those will be added. If you click on the eye here, you can, of course, tip jar and store. You can rate, review, which I definitely recommend. You can go to the online documentation, contact support, and have a welcome tour as well. And of course, press OK to come out from it. And just remember just to support Fred Anton Corvest, which is really a great developer. So the tool is really, really simple to use. So let's now try it with a different track. Why not? Okay, so... So be careful, of course, because it can fix really easily. So keep an eye on your output. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the demonstration and short tutorial. And as always, see you next time. Bye.